Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the 2025 Acura RDX, a luxury compact SUV that's turning heads with its bold styling, refined interior, and impressive performance upgrades. Whether you're considering a new daily driver or just curious about the latest in Acura's lineup, this review will give you a full picture of what the 2025 RDX has to offer. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Acura RDX carries forward its aggressive and modern design, with a few refinements to give it an even sharper look. Up front, the signature diamond pentagon grille is now more defined, flanked by sleek jewel-eye LED headlights that offer both aesthetic appeal and practical visibility. The lines across the hood and body have been sculpted to enhance aerodynamics and add a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The black color option, especially, gives the RDX a bold and premium feel, with chrome accents and 19 or optional 20-inch alloy wheels enhancing its luxury presence. From every angle, the RDX looks sporty, confident, and ready for anything. Moving inside, the 2025 RDX steps up in a big way. Acura has focused on delivering a more premium, comfortable, and tech-forward cabin experience. You're greeted by high-quality materials throughout, including soft-touch surfaces, available Milano leather seats with contrast stitching, and brushed aluminum trim. The seats are supportive and well-contoured, offering heating and ventilation options in the front, with ample space for rear passengers as well. The panoramic moonroof is now standard across all trims, flooding the interior with natural light and making the cabin feel even more spacious. Tech-wise, there's a 10.2-inch infotainment display controlled by Acura's True Touchpad interface, paired with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a new digital instrument cluster that adds a modern touch. A 16-speaker L Studio Premium audio system is available, delivering a crystal-clear listening experience for audiophiles. Under the hood, the 2025 RDX remains powerful and responsive, featuring a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces 272 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, and Acura's super handling all-wheel drive (SHAWD) system is available for those who want enhanced control and grip on all road conditions. The ride quality is comfortable, with adaptive suspension that balances sporty handling with everyday comfort. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling twisty roads, the RDX feels agile and composed. Now, when it comes to pricing, the 2025 Acura RDX starts at around $45,000 for the base model, with fully loaded trims reaching up to $55,000 or slightly more depending on packages and options. It competes closely with luxury rivals like the BMW X3, Audi Q5, and Lexus NX, but offers great value thanks to its rich feature set and reliable performance. Overall, the 2025 Acura RDX delivers an ideal blend of luxury, performance, and technology, wrapped in a stylish and well-built package. If you're in the market for a luxury compact SUV, this one definitely deserves a spot on your test drive list.